puta. Uy, Yogi!
Mario!
What's up, everyone? Ngayon ay magalaw tayo ng Midnight Burger sa Roblox game. So, bago tayo magsimula sa larong to, mag-like, comment, subscribe, and click notification bell para lagi kayong update sa aking mga panibagong nilalaro sa akin sa YouTube channel. So, magsalita tayo sa Midnight Burger. Let's go, everyone. Dito tayo sa laro, sa Midnight Burger. So, lang. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, mag-solo tayo ngayon. Solo ulit tayo. Parang gusto sumama na ito. What if lang. Hindi tayo sumama. Ay, hindi tayo sa ano. Kung sumama na ito ni Arga Cans Zero. Excellent Studios. Okay, tayo. Okay, yung bang. Night 1. Street Burger Fast Food Restaurant. Let's go. Time to clock in for shift. Dome. Start time clock to clock in. Okay. Looks like boss that dito not that by the boss. Lucky for you guys, the drive door speakers are down, which means that you will only be able to take customer orders from the counter until it fits. Also, in other news, we have been getting a bunch of requests from customers about the shadowing figure lurking around the premises as well as looking through the window. If you see anything, do not interact with them because they may be dangerous. Your manager. Okay. Go to the customer. Hello, sir. How how could I help you tonight? And what the Sigma? What? Don't worry about it. Okay, do you plan on ordering? Yes. Hey, one hot dog, please. Okay. Just say that. Say that. That will be 3 pesos. Okay. Okay. Get from the freezer and cook on it. Wala na. Ano ba yun? Ito. Frozen. Repet na ito ah. Isipan-sikan itong mga mantika. Ito. Wag na. Turn. Thank you, kind person. Hihi. Employee of the month. Customer debt. Ito. Hello. Welcome to talk to the person about it. Wow, there's really someone working here this late. This is 24, yeah, why would there be 24/7? Yes, you have heard the news, ha? Anong news? Baka pa ako narinig ng news. Anyways, could I get some price, please? Okay. Ah, sure. That will be 2.99. Okay. Okay. This is price, things, and good luck. I, I would want to be working here. Mas sabi ko bang gusto mo dito magtrabaho? Kung babalik ka, excited na nga lang ako dito eh. News. So yun, I should see what the lady was talking about earlier. Yeah. Ano ba kasi yun? Listen to the news on the radio. The serial killer nicknamed the Night Chief, a doctor, has been reported lurking around the city after an escape president last night. People call him that because he always strikes at night, after targeting the poor souls working night shift at local business. Eh, wag naman. Tatabaho ng ano eh, ng maayos eh. Hindi naman. Yung mga may targetin. So we urge everyone to stay inside. And to any night game, we recommend that you leave work until the serial killer is found. Okay. Yung sabi ko. Stability. The boss would fire me if I try to leave work early. If I see anything suspicious, then I call the police. Daming kalat. Di ba natin pwedeng ka na yan? Linisin yan. Kaya sa mga customer natin na hey officer, how could I help? How could I help you? How is going despite everything? Good, I guess. This is something. Yeah. Okay. Have you heard that news? I was tasked with going around the city to make sure everyone is safe. Safe na naman kami, boss. Safe na kami, officer. Yeah, hi, the news. Everything is fine around here. Yeah. Fine. Okay. But if you anything, please give us a call. Kami na bahala. Sabihan ka namin. Well, since I'm here, I'll take a burger, please. Okay, that will be $4. With your money. Okay, go! Go! Sabi ko na kung kakasya, tapos ito magluto, di ba? Yan, yun ang gusto ko sa'yo. Pag taga-kuwan ko pa nagluto. Thanks. And remember, if you see anything weird, keep us call. Okay, understand natin sir. Ay, masusunod. Balik ulit kayo. Oh. Love room and sweet. Hindi na kailangan nakatin. Ang talaga pa na. Sabi yung guide na. Bro. Oh. Kung kaya naman tao, magpapawali. Doon lang nahiya. Dapat una pa lang dito sa... Oh, dapat dito na. Ako dito pwede. Ito eh. Ito. Oh, uy. Patay. Gawa tayong person. Yo, bra. What's up, bro? Bro? Yo, man, bro. What did I get cook up for you tonight? I just got that at the gym, bro. I need some protein. Okay, bro. Sige, bro. So let me get a burger with extra meat, bro. Okay, bro. Do you want anything else? No, just a burger. Okay, bro. Ah, nag-multi-job ka tuloy. Yo, thank you. Welcome, bro. You're welcome. Yeah, welcome. Did you hear the news about the little guy? Alam ko nga, ikaw yun eh. Yeah, I'm a little baby about it. Kung ikaw yun, papatayin kita. You scared about it, bro. You see the guns? I could beat him to dust if I saw him. No, come on. Muscular ka kasi. I see. Anyways, bro. Good luck. Okay. Three times like that. Yun. Eh, malaki nga yung katawan mo. Eh, okay. So, ano, iisa-isay natin. Wala, pagkalabayin. Ayun nga pala, no, pwede pa dito lumabas, pati tayo dito lumabas. Eh, di ba? Ka- Eh, di ba? Uy, putik ka. Oh, you scared me. Yeah, ba't mo ba ako tinakot? Anyway, you need to get out of here. Wow, you must be ready to work here on a night like this. Oh, wala papasok ka eh. Saan pupunta? Mas nasundan. Gawin natin yung task. Tapang mo na yung hawak mo, bro. Shoe. What? What? Saan wala? Saan ka napunta? Bro, yung basura na yung lalagay, di katawan mo. Bakit? Bakit? Tama lang yan. Ticket ending. Wala ko naman si Milip. One lang pala yun. Yung picture lang pala yun. Hey, English. That homeless guy was really strange. Uy, ayaw. Damot naman nito. Limburger Passport Restaurant. Niya, tags. Tapos naman tayo sa work. Another night. Another night here. Another night. Another night here. Hey, what do you guys sell here? Di mo pa nakita to, ha? Di mo pa nakita to? Kasi burgers, hot dogs, and fries. I get. Suka ko yan at ng ano yan, ng banana yung bunganga mo. Do you know what you want? Or do you want some more time to think? Let me get some. Let me get buka ha. Patukang kita eh. Hotdog. Hotdog. Wait. Abay, I actually get ha. Some place, I just want to some yeah, siya sa ba? Yeah, this is the money. Thank you. Ikaw ata si Boy ha. Baka ha. Being serious. Hey, I'm manager. You know who I am, right? I'm manager, dapat manager natin. Okay, okay. You're the manager, right? You know what that means, right? What is mean? It means you have to do. See, it looks like you have it. Been doing your job very well. What is the water in your well? You know that the safety regulation, right? Oh, sorry. I think it's someone's late because we safe, and that means we will have to shut this down, and then no one will have a job. So map it up now. All your I file. Okay, boss. Takot na naman ako. Kailangan ko na ng pera. Kasi I do. It right now. Thank you. Boss. Tayo. Business. Business. Business time. 9, 8, 7, 6, red ball here. Hindi, ano. Sabi mga ano, may pumasok na ano. Nakawa pa tayo. Boy, yeah. Another customer. Ay, yun yan. Yung mabangis. Take it, suspicious guy. How is going? I'm not okay. It's going. What's have fooled me? Anyways, what? Have you seen anybody sa shooting this? I take that as ano. If you do, give me a call. Alright, kid. Sure. Well, since I'm here, I also take ito muna yung pera mo. Okay, pay for 99. Ah, sa'yo, Hans. Oh, gusto ko sa'yo. Remember, if you see any dead bodies, you give me a call. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yay! Tulog na. Ikaw pala, meron pala. Meron gawa lahat. How did that happen? Yeah. Ano yun? Nakapatay ba yan? There should have been no code of equipment to catch on fire. Hey, I remember you. You scared me last night while I was taking the trash out. Kung ako sa'yo, hindi mo na napunta. If we are, if I were you, I would be working in this. Why? It might not end too well for you. You've been warned. Okay. Did you want to order any food? Pwede ka dyan, no? How much is for here? Okay, that would be 1.9. Yes, two. I found in a downstairs. That's not enough. You know what? You sure? Gusto mo daw? Kaya pala kasi mo yung pusa. Ako ko ba? Oh, dali ka pa rin. Hindi ako lang. Nag-multi ano eh. Dami mo nang ginawa eh. Eh, po ako, tamang tambay lang sa kasi, sorry, sorry. Nagkabagaw kasi, nagkabagaw. Kumagay sa akin, nagawa ko lang ng trabaho mo. Ano dito eh? That was a video. No. Yan. Yun. 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 Hello po ma. What would you Ayan, just a hot dog. Tama mo. Okay, that would be 3.99 then please. Is the only cheap. Dami. Thank you. Debiling ma. Hi. You know what? Ayu. How about I help you? Uh, can I please get some first hour? Okay. Anything else? No, thank you. Hour, here's your money. Hour, di ba? Sabi niya, hour. Ayun. Papalipad kita sa hige. Kukuha ka ng knife, sasaksakin ko nga sa mukha mo. Yo bro, how is going? Good. What would you like to eat? Just some fries, please. Also, but maybe I'm just saying things. But when I was putting my car into here, I saw some sort of creature that different bad mask on. He was walking around the building. Don't know what it was, but it freaked me out. Anyways, here's the money. Okay, sana. Nabili ka ng ano. Tapos, hopefully I don't see the creature again. Okay, take care. Balik kayo. Ikaw, ano sabi mo? Sorry yun? Uy, putang, ano ba tawag? Who's looking out the window? Okay. Hey, yo! What is masilip? What the? Oh, sumpong mama. Babalik siya. Kala babalik eh. Ay, bastos, pinatay. Power is out. I need to go reset it. Pinatay man. Pinatay. Ba't mo naman po pinatay? Katabaho po with... Hey, this is the same homeless person I saw the last 2 nights. Oo nga. Kaya, ala, kawawa naman. Namatay, pero walang dugo. Kaya, itipisa natin. Huwag kang makulo. Maglukat ka sa likod. Malay mo. Bitch. Ay, puta. Uy, Yogi! That must be who customer was talking about. I should call for her. Yeah, kay officer. Kay officer, tawag tayo kay officer. Anyone, what is your emergency? Mayroong malimaw na dito. Please send help. The killer that's on the loose is coming after me. Yeah. Papatayin kami. Yata. Okay, Stelcam. What is your address? Ano Stelcam? Papatayin na nga kami. At may job. I work at Drake Burger. Please be fast. Alright. I got your location, please. Pinatay na naman. Is back. Wala na. Hirap na magbukas. Silver counted the police come alive. Eh, yo! Doon ka! Di dyan ka. Ay, buhutin ka! Lumatagos! Labas! Ay, buhutin ka! Mamamatay na kami! 20 minutes! Ikot-ikot lang. Hanggang yung police ba 17, 16. Ikot lang. 7, 3, 5, 4. Ending. Hindi ko naman nabasa yung ending na nakulat. Okay, tapos na pala. Maganda din. Masaya na ako sa laro na yun. Masaya ako live. At yung kasama natin siya, si Aga Kanso. Shoutout sa iyo, pa. Lahat ng ginawa mo na. So guys, dito na mag-end yung ating video. So, kung may kailangan kayo na-recommend na panibagong game sa Roblox, ay magsabi kayo sa akin at dalawin ko para sa inyo. Kaya, bye-bye and like, comment, subscribe, and click notification bell para lagi kayong handa sa aking mga panibagong video. So, bye-bye!